2, guys.
Welcome to part 2, guys.
So I'm gonna
make sure you like and subscribe to our video.
Guys, so I will have to say them again. Guys, you guys are thinking, why is she taking a knife? Don't ask. It's a diagonal thing I do. Guys, look what is her sister doing. Look what she doing. Look what she threw on the floor. She threw the polos on the floor, guys. And now she's looking. Come say hello to the people. Say hello. Say hello, people.
She's very
But she's naughty.
cute but naughty. Does not make sense, guys.
I have to go.
Guys, we take some of this. Actually, close the bottle. Mommy.
Huh?
That was just my mother. So don't.
Guys, if you guys wondering what is her name, her name is Emily. My name is, you can see on the profile. Guys, so we're just gonna finish. She's already done with the hair. I just have to put some finishing touches.
I'm not done with my guys.
I don't flip my hair, I just make it like this.
Guys, I don't know what hairstyle to do, guys. I'll be this thing
So guys, I just like a messy bit. So
they can't be about 3 minutes. Quickly, just gonna make my.
So guys, it's not gonna be as messy. So
Guys, sorry that my patch is so scary. I will make it right later.
and there's my bola, guys.
And here's mine, guys.
Bye.
So bye. See you again.
See you in Friday. I'm gonna do another video. Get ready with me for school. So bye. Bye. It's my bestie, mush bestie. Don't die the